I'm going on a trip probably for 2 or 3 days. Then who is going to take care of my plants? Without someone to water them, they will dry up and die. Mm, I use this automatic watering device to help me take care for them. It slowly drips water onto the soil, drop by drop. This keeps the soil moist, and I also can adjust the drip rate. Then, when I get back home, my plant will smile at me. The price for this automatic watering device is not expensive, worth to buy to take care your plant. You can try this convenience automatic watering device for yourself.